Hey Google, turn the desk lamp on.
Okay, turning on the desk lamp.
Hey guys, what's up? This is Peter James. Let's take a look at Google Home Mini. Are you ready? Unboxing this, and we will find the device itself, a user guide, and a power cable with a micro USB port. The top part is a speaker, covered with a cloth-like material. There are 4 colors to choose from. I bought the chalk color, the light gray one, because I like gray. Other colors are aqua, charcoal, and coral. At the bottom is a rubberized texture pad. This thing will not slide off accidentally, as you can see. Even if I attempt to flip this table, it does not slide off. Cool. There's a physical switch here, which is for turning the mic on or off. You can turn off the mic by flipping it to the right. You can see the color bright orange here. That indicates that the mic is off.
The mic's off.
This is useful if you don't want Google to overheard some sensitive stuff, because hey, Google might spy on you.
The mic's back on.
Peace, Google. This thing is light, about 173 grams. It has a dual band AC Wi-Fi, which means it supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi frequency bands. Also, it does have a Bluetooth. The side of this device is touch sensitive. Tap to the right side for volume up, left side for volume down. I'm quite disappointed with the micro USB power connection. I think USB-C is better, but yeah, at this price point of less than 2,000 pesos, I cannot complain. The setup is just simple. Just download the Google Home app on Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Click the Add button at the top left corner. Then tap Setup Device. Choose Home. Then enable location services. And it will automatically detect and connect the Google Home Mini. Let's first test the sound quality for the Google Home Mini. The Google Home Mini lacks bass, but overall, it is loud enough to be heard in a very large room, even on a max volume. Let's try it in action. I can play Spotify music here.
Playing some music on Spotify.
How about 4-minute timer to brew my coffee? Let's try. Hey Google, set a timer for 4 minutes.
4 minutes, starting now.
A few moments later. I can also ask to watch a Netflix movie. Hey Google, play Johnny English Reborn on Netflix on Family Room TV.
Alright, Johnny English Reborn from Netflix. Playing on Family Room TV. Sorry, I can't play Netflix on Android TV yet. Try using your Android TV remote instead.
Uh-oh, Android TV is not supported. For Android TV, it already supports Google Assistant, I guess. So, pretty logical not be redundant. I can just enable Google Assistant here in my Android TV. So, luckily, we have another TV here with a Google Chromecast. Hey Google, play Johnny English Reborn on Netflix at Master Bedroom TV.
Okay, Johnny English Reborn from Netflix. Playing on Master Bedroom TV.
One cool feature. This thing is tied up with my Xiaomi Mi Home app. So, let's try it with my Xiaomi Mi desk lamp. Hey Google, turn the desk lamp on.
Okay, turning on the desk lamp.
Hey Google, turn the desk lamp off.
Got it, turning the desk lamp off.
It can also find my phone. Wow! Hey Google, can you locate my phone?
I found a few phones. The first listed is your Pixel 2 XL. Should I ring it?
Yes?
Got it, your Pixel 2 XL should be ringing now.
Here are some random things I can ask from Google. Hey Google, what can you do for me?
Check these out. You can say, when's the next footy game? Or, what's the weather from Monday to Friday next week?
What's the weather for today?
Today in San Fernando City, there will be isolated thunderstorms with a forecasted high of 34 and a low of 24. Right now, it's 34 degrees and mostly cloudy.
Hey Google, roll a dice.
You got 6.
What's the date today?
It is Saturday the 25th of July 2020.
When's Harry Potter's birthday?
Harry Potter's date of birth is the 31st of July 1980.
In summary, the Google Home Mini is a cool device as a house companion. It is an inexpensive way to make your home feeling high-tech. It will surely impress your visitors when they come to your house. Overall, this thing is quite useful for me, since me and my family are used to command Google Assistant using our phones. My siblings and I are using it every day to set a timer when we brew our coffee in the morning. My rating? 4 stars. Sound quality can be improved, but overall, it's good enough. How about you guys? Do you think it's worth the price? Let me know your thoughts. Comment down below. That's it for now. Like the video if you like it. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Until next time, see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.